Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Bayu Nagara Family. What are we gonna do today?
Build
PC.
Gaming
PC.
Gaming PC. Alright. So yeah, today we're gonna build a gaming PC for the first time. So what we have here, we got the motherboard, and we do have the SU, and we have CPU. We do have SSD. We do have memory RAM, and we do have graphic card. So you guys have question?
Actually, I do.
Yes.
So like, I can see the other pieces over there.
This one.
How do they connect?
Are we gonna put it in the motherboard? That's why it's called motherboard.
Oh, like, so you hook everything up to the motherboard?
Yeah.
Cool.
You have question?
What's that?
This is a CPU or Central Processing Unit. So this guy, the little NVMe, handle everything like multitask and everything. So that the processor can make everything work. Alright. Do you have question again? Why?
What's the GPU?
Oh, the graphic card. The GPU is the main thing, the processor unity. What the stand is for graphic processor unit. So they control everything. And in the graphic card is contain GPU, contain video memory, and another thing. So they can work together. That's why it's become video card.
Cool.
Are you ready to build now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's we build. Let's we open up the motherboard look like.
Whoa. Whoa.
This one. I believe it's antenna.
Antenna.
This?
Yeah.
I know what it, well, I only know what bugs antennas are. Like antennas on bugs, like butterflies.
But it's antenna for the Wi-Fi.
I only like on old-fashioned TVs, like back in
Yeah.
the day.
And what you gonna say?
I know only an antenna from a flying saucer.
Oh,
Yes. And what a flying saucer is a UFO that shoots sauce out of the thing that it abducts cows.
It's a sauce that the aliens put on the cow so the aliens can eat the cow.
and I'm gonna look at it. What the case we do have? We have case from MSI. What is called again?
I think we can power the truck. MSI. It's only MSI. VELOX 100R.
Oh.
So SMI Volex 100R.
100R.
Yeah.
I can kind of see how small that little chip is.
Okay. We will see.
I have a question.
Like what your question?
So like, you see how or I can see through the plastic right here how it looks like it's big enough for that little chip thing.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure the little chip. I'm guessing the little chip thing goes right here.
And then you know what? This mother. Why are you using the box? I'm using the box is for reduce static because this all little component, right? They do have the glove or normally they do something for not static.
What does that mean?
Statical is like a small electric thing because when you got static in the motherboard, it's gonna be ruin your whole motherboard.
Oh, I was thinking the static from in your old days when those TVs with the antennas, if like
Oh, like
What?
doing the static, huh?
yeah the static
Yeah,
that
it is same static too.
Cool.
Let me see this the CPU.
I think
that's
I'm
so-
assuming that's the CPU goes here.
That's what I just
go.
said.
Yeah,
So small for that big box.
I know.
Yeah.
It doesn't even deserve a big box. It deserves the any tiny box.
No,
The one that's worth $0.
I think
See, this like content any little pin.
that
How did they even find out how to make a CPU?
About that, I'm not really sure.
I
And you cannot touch it.
I didn't
Don't
know
touch it. I didn't know it opened.
Yeah, it's up. And see, like this one, don't touch like the metal part. The metal part.
So you can
know,
only
like-
touch the sides?
Yeah, and then how you put it in, I'm gonna show the camera first. How you put it, which side thingy, they have NVMe dot.
Those
over there.
arrow thingies?
Yeah, the arrow thing, and they're gonna be matched
Line
over
up.
here.
So you gotta flip that around.
So
Yeah,
they
and
have
then
to
like-
line up.
Yep, line up. See, they have little arrow too. So I have to do like this.
I think I know why it needed a big.
And why you have to extra be careful because they have small pin. Like if they bend or something,
It won't
it
fit.
won't fit and it won't work. So just put in over here, just gently,
So that way it doesn't make a static.
and then don't force it.
Just
Just let it, and then after that, just look
have to
like
push it in.
what Elsa
Close
say.
it.
Let it go.
Let it go.
I wanted to close. I know. I
You wanna close?
yeah.
Oh, why did that thing
Tristan
come
was
out?
holding my arm back.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah,
Nice.
because I was
Okay,
trying to
see?
do that.
This one, don't touch it. If you accidentally touch it, you can clean up with
With
the
alcohol.
There you go. And this, don't throw it away.
No.
Don't, just in case if you wanna resell
Okay.
or something. You know what I mean? You can
Resell.
just put it. Yep. But this one can be longer. This the CPU. We already put it. And what the next? Next is the
Memory, right? Is that memory?
yeah memory or RAM.
I have a question.
Yes. What your question is?
Well, I think I know why the little chip that we just put in. I think I know why it needed a
Why?
because you know how when something small goes in like a big
box?
box. Alright. It's time.
Maybe those go.
We already got the CPU in.
I'm assuming they might go in these. Or probably one of these.
Yes. You got it? Thank you, buddy.
On the sides.
Yeah. So for the memory,
I'm pretty sure it's either
we do have
right there or
Yeah.
right here. Oh, I was pointing at it. Yeah, but I can't see.
See, you know why they have 4? You can fill it all of them. Just depend on motherboard. But if you just only have 2, you can read in motherboard which part. But normally they go to the second slot and the
opposite from each other.
4th slot. Yep. Yes.
I'm assuming since there's 4, if the bigger the motherboard you have, the more slots you'll get.
Yeah, they have like 4 over here and they have 4 over here. Sometimes they get 2 CPU too. Double CPU.
A double? Isn't this the same thing for that? How
No,
much
it is,
does this
different.
itty bitty?
Don't touch this one.
How much does that itty bitty thing by itself
Like,
cost?
you're talking about. And for the put this one, you cannot get wrong because they cannot fit to another one. You know what I mean? Like if you fit like this, look at it, it's not fit.
So you have to turn it
So don't you worry like kinda
like it's
it's gonna be wrong or something. No, don't have to worry. Just like this, and you just like push it until they click. You heard that?
Yeah, I heard that click.
that was satisfying. Pure
I
satisfying.
know it's pure satisfying.
Yeah.
And we put in that again another
The
one.
other one.
Slow and steady.
I just saw something. See how it clicks? Something.
You gotta hear the 2 clicks and then push that thing up. Can you move your
No.
Just
It pushes up by itself when you click it. You hear the click, right?
SSD.
We found out that we got stickers for some things. What's the SSD for?
SSD is storage device. So whatever you download the application, you download software and everything, just go to SSD. Like normally you can go to the hard drive too, but it's slow. SSD more faster. And then this I forgot to tell you is memory or RAM. RAM is from the random access memory. So like if you're browsing, open the game or something, little bit memory go to here, so they can be flashed really fast. Yes.
So, like, if it's that small, you said it goes really fast, right?
Yeah, it's for the transfer the data and reading.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Question. What helps you not get viruses?
With the antivirus, and then you open the good website. Now we're gonna install the SSD.
How do you get an antivirus?
You can buy it.
You can buy it at the store, right?
Oh.
An electronics store for PCs, which I'm not that good building electronics.
What do you mean you're not good?
I'm pretty sure you gotta have screws and stuff, and also things you can unscrew if you want to build one. So many things.
So that goes right here.
You just make
Yes, that just go over there.
I mean, there's
And
so
it's
many
not-
more things.
It's not gonna be go wrong too, because it's
So it's like the
and-
same thing like that.
Yeah, something
yeah.
like that.
There's so many more things.
And it's gonna the angle is like 45 degree or something.
You gotta be careful not to touch the.
See, they're gonna like click.
motherboard.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After do like they have little plastic,
So you have to
remove
remove.
it.
Why?
You know why? You know for what? This one? Why I remove the plastic and everything?
So it sticks.
No, it is for the cooling stuff.
It's cooling.
Yeah, it's like kind of thermal paste later
Why
we
does it
put in
look
the CPU.
Why does it
Thermal
look
paste.
like it's gonna stick to that?
Yeah, it's look like stick, but it's like gonna be for cooling stuff.
So that way, if it gets too hot, it might cool it.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm learning a lot of stuff today.
Yes, you learn a lot of stuff today.
Can't
Well, we
wait to
built
watch.
like this.
And so basically that thing that you just unscrewed off will just hold that down.
Yeah, and they have the inhibitor like this. So you can just like.
I heard that click. I heard the click. This is so.
I have a question.
Yes,
What's gonna go right there?
it's for the.
I remember what he
GPU.
said.
It's gonna be for the graphic card.
Aya.
Yeah.
Are we even gonna have a graphic card on?
Yes, this is GPU.
That's the graphics card.
Question.
Yeah. So yeah, pretty much just like that. We just screw it,
And you gotta be really careful.
and then don't really tie because it's fragile.
Fragile.
Yeah.
Because if you do it too tight, it might break, right? Aya.
Yes.
So you see the sticker thing where it says Pro Series?
Yeah.
Later in the video, are you gonna remove those?
Yeah, I said I can remove it from this.
And then like, what your question, Abby?
Later in the video, will you remove the plastic things?
No.
Yeah. No, the question earlier.
About that. Remember you had
Oh.
questions about that?
Oh, and what goes here?
Oh, what this go there? Normally, what is in the case, like for the power button, audio, and everything, they goes over there. And for the power up CPU, they go over here. And pretty much for the motherboard, we done. Why we not putting this one yet? Because we waiting putting this into the case, so it's more easy than you have to put it over here.
Struggle.
Yep, struggle to put it in. Okay, we can. So now we have the graphic card, GPU. It's all same thing, but normally GPU is like the little graphic. Little. There it is. And
it
this
comes with
one.
my installation. Does all of the things come with an installation?
Yeah, some not.
Wait, why is it the graphics card? Why
Yes,
is there so many?
that's
How is it
the
just look like
graphic
a
card.
fan?
Hmm?
It looks like a fan though.
That's why I told you the graphic card by itself, right? There's contain the GPU inside the NVMe processor and video memory, and they have like another power up and cooling stuff. You know what I mean? And this little guy or big guy is gonna go there.
There?
Yes,
Oh,
How will it fit?
that's gonna be fit. You know what I mean?
will I be able to take off?
Oh, that's what that small thing is for. At
Which
the
one?
bottom, that to go
This
into
one,
that.
yeah, and then we have to take it off.
Oh, so it's just like that.
Yep, pretty much. They have one,
Okay,
they have another
that
one,
was too-
they have another one.
Will I get to? Aya, will I get to take
Yes.
off one of the plastic parts? Will I?
So now we're gonna put in this to the case. And we're gonna install this motherboard to the case. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna put the motherboard go here. Which one they have all screw. And I believe it's fit the motherboard itself. Whereas they have hole. Yep, the hole is lined up exactly. Yeah, it's already got screwing up where they go. Now for the GPU, we need taking off when taking off this screw.
You have to take all of them off?
Yeah. No, only 2 or 3. As for this baby, I got like 2 or 3. Now we're gonna put in GPU over here to the socket. There you go. And we just like tighten up over there. Alright, the last thing, we put the Wi-Fi connection. And after that, try to plug everything. Let we see the moment of truth. Now let's we found out. Turn this thing on, not yet. this one, turn on. There you go. And turn on.
This one?
Yes. Abby,
Why can I actually hear that? It's like I can hear it.
That's so cool.
you can hear it.
I can hear the.
Yeah.
Oh, there's plastic.
There's everything is working out. Yeah. Abby, what you think?
I think it's really cool. And the color.
So Tristan,
Yeah.
what do you think?
I think it's good, but I have one question.
Yes, what your question?
Do you think it's possible to make a PC without a graphics card?
Are you challenging me?
Yeah.
Do it, do it, do
As
it.
we found out. So for now on, our spec is like i7 13th generation, and then the graphic card or GPU is 40 series, pretty much is like 4070 Ti. And next we're gonna build the without
Graphics
graphic
card.
card. Okay.
Question.
Yes, what?
When you do it without the graphics card,
Mm-hmm.
would it be possible to do it without that mirror thing?
What the mirror thing?
That thing. With the,
No, it's for the CPU cooler. So we gonna build the next episode without graphic card. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna set up for gaming, and for the next time build the PC gaming without graphic card. Thank you so much. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
Alright,
Like.
bye bye. See you next time.